Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Edpuzzle to make learning fun and entertaining using videos. So first things first, let's go on YouTube, find a video that we like and that we want to use in class with our students. So I chose Mr. Bean Shopping. I just copy and paste the address and then I just go on edpuzzle.com. Of course, beforehand you need to create your own account. It's pretty straightforward. You just need to put your name, the school that you work in, and your email address. Then, once you have created your account, you just need to go on the search bar here and copy and paste the YouTube link. Okay. So once you have your video here, you can then select how long you want it to be and which part of the video you want to use in class. Because most of the time the videos are way too long, like this one here, 10 minutes, so you can just shorten it that way. Sorry. Here. Okay, so I only need that part for my video. Then once that's done, you just go on questions. And then here you have the choice of choosing multiple choice and open-ended questions. All right, so let's try to create one here. So, okay, so Mr. Bean here just said very smart. So, here, what did Mr. Bean say? Very smart, which is the correct one, or very bad. Then you have the choice to add another answer choice. Click on save. Okay, so then the student will have to choose here and then click on continue. Then it's the same process for the rest. You can add as many multiple choice or open-ended questions as you want. However, just keep in mind that for the open-ended question, you will have to score it yourself, of course. Then once you're done with that, you just need to click on finish. And then, of course, you need to assign this as either an asynchronous task. This website, I find it amazing to do like a flipped classroom, asynchronous to give students asynchronous tasks to prepare like before class, so on and so forth. So yeah, so then I'll show you how to assign it. Okay, so here, add new class. Go on Blackboard. Here they show you the way on how to add this video to your Blackboard, but I will show you here quickly. So here, just choose the place where you want to add this quiz, this video. So you just need to go on Build Content here, click on Edpuzzle, give it a name, say Past Simple Quiz. Yes, point, I don't know, just give it 3 points. Yes, and submit. Alright, so now you have your past simple quiz here. Then here you just need to select which video you want to assign to this class. Once the video is selected, click on next. And finally assign. Okay, now that's done. And here you have the lists of questions that you have prepared. Then I went on and logged in as a student on Blackboard to show you what it should look like on a student's Blackboard page. So here, let's go on Past Simple Quiz. And there you have it here. you have the video. Let's see what it looks like as a student. So as you can see here, very smart. The question appeared. Okay. Now let's see the feedback on your own account in Edpuzzle. So here, log in. Let's go to the class here. So here, as you can see, you have Bakhit al-Mansouri, so that's the student that I logged in as, okay, and it says 100%, okay, and it says not turned in because I didn't watch the food video, but at least here you get the grade that the students actually did it. So you have different options. Then you can also use it here, project your video while students answer in real time on their own devices. And you have other options such as here, export grades to LMS, download grades, so on and so forth. Another thing that is nice about this website, so here you can keep track of who did what. The students who have logged in to Edpuzzle before, and the gradebook here. So the number of videos, the grade that each student got for each video, and so on and so forth. So I hope my video will be useful to you. Thank you.